Hello everyone, my name is Jamie MacDonald and I am one of the lecturers in the School of Human and Behavioural Sciences here at Bangor University. I'd like to tell you a little bit about our Advanced Research Skills module, specifically designed for the distance learning degree. So our school has a world-leading reputation in designing research studies and being able to analyse the data that's generated from those studies. And what we'd really like to do in this module is pass on some of those skills to you. So the idea is that we will give you the skills to be able to design quantitative and qualitative studies, and we will give you the skills that you can actually select and then complete and actually carry out the best quantitative statistical tests to allow you to actually analyze your data in more detail. Now, this is a fantastic set of transferable skills. You'll be able to use this for your own research, and you'll need to do that during the distance learning degree as you complete your own research or dissertation modules. But you'll also be able to take that information and transfer it into your working environments and high performance environments, and also to be able to help you in life generally as you make important decisions about your own health and well-being. And it's really important, I suppose, that the overall concept of what we're trying to get across to you here is that we want you to be able to understand and agree with conclusions of other researchers and really begin to criticize those in some detail. So that's what we hope to get across to you during this Advanced Research Skills module, and we look forward to delivering that to you and discussing this fascinating topic further.